Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So today's video, we're going to make a Mezcal Negroni, right? Negronis are Italian, but we're going to give it a little Mexican twist, right? So first things first, we're going to get some Mezcal. This one has 2 worms still. Have not got the worms out of them yet. One day, just not today. Anywho, we're going to go with 1 ounce of Mezcal. So this should be a nice, good, like smoky Negroni, right? Because Mezcal has that smokiness to it. That's really, really good. And just like all Negronis, it's equal parts, equal part drink, right? So we're gonna do 1 ounce of everything. So we're gonna go 1 ounce of Campari. And last, we're going to do 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth. Give this a little stir. Add a little bit of ice. One more quick stir to chill. Strain it in our rocks glass. Next, we want to add our orange peel. That just had some strange noise from outside. Anywho, there we got it. We have a Mezcal Negroni. Gin Negronis are the king of Negronis, right? But let's see if it's going to get dethroned. That smokiness, right? I may like this better than the gin version because again, I like smokiness. I like smoked meats and smoking cigars. So this is right up my alley. This is a good drink for me to sit back, smoke a cigar, and relax to, right? While I watch a fire or watch a fight. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.